Hello and welcome back to Old School Modeler. My name is Nick. So today, one of my subscribers sent me something. We're going to see what it is. Kind of have an idea what it is. Good buddy Rob, can't pronounce his last name, but he said that it's okay if you can't pronounce it. Kind of have an idea what it is, but you guys don't. So I'm beyond thankful that a subscriber would be gracious enough and kindness out of her heart to send me a model kit. Bubble paper. Just kidding. Look at that. Grumpy's Vega. Bill Grumpy Jenkins, 1972 Chevy Vega Pro Stocker. This is awesome. When I saw this kit was coming out, I always wanted to get it at some point. This is really cool. Like I said, I always wanted to get this kit, but I just never pulled the trigger on it, and Rob was gracious enough and kindness of his heart to send me this, and I'm very thankful, very humble. Thank you so much, Rob. This is awesome. I'm starting to get into the Grumpy's toys because of this kit, and I've been doing some research about them, and there's some YouTube videos, and I would like to build some of these, and I got this one now. This is the 72 Vega. There's also a 74 Vega, which is essentially the same kit, which is that kit right there, just different decals. And then the famous 70 Camaro. And then there's I would like to build the 66 Nova Grumpy's toy, the 68 Camaro, the 69 Camaro, and the 70 Camaro, which is that one. And I got now I have the 72 Vega. I would like to do the 74 Vega as well, since that kit is out. All I have to do is get the decals or use these decals, because on the early 74 had the same paint scheme, and then they changed it to white on top and then just the red in the middle here. They changed it on this car, and they changed it on the 74 Vega. So I'm really excited to build this. And this will be built on the channel, as Rob requested me to do an unboxing and to build it on the channel, which I have no problem doing, and that's what I'm going to do. So this will be built after the 55 Pro Street that I'm building right now for the Pro Street group build. So this one's next. I'll build this one. This is a really cool kit. I can't thank Rob enough for sending me this. So thank you, buddy. If you're watching, pretty sure you will. So, that being said, like, comment, subscribe, do what you want. If you want to share, go ahead and share with your buddies. Big thank you to Rob. I can't thank you enough, buddy. Have a good night.